Every single day in America, millions of water bottles are produced. But have you ever wondered how they are actually made?
Today, we're going deep inside a modern U.S. factory to uncover the entire manufacturing process, step by step.
Now, let's step inside and see how it's made.
This is a modern bottled water factory located in the United States. All stages of production take place inside this single facility.
Access to the factory is carefully controlled to protect the production environment. Inside these walls, every step of water production is carefully controlled. The factory floor is designed for efficiency, cleanliness, and automation. Automation reduces human contact and ensures consistent quality. Inside the factory, everything is designed for cleanliness, efficiency, and safety. Every stage is monitored in real time by trained operators. Raw water enters the facility through sealed pipelines. The water is stored in controlled conditions before treatment. Sensors continuously monitor flow, pressure, and volume. Filtration removes fine particles and dissolved impurities. Ultraviolet light neutralizes microorganisms. Filtration removes fine particles and dissolved impurities.
Ozone treatment adds an extra layer of protection.
Quality control begins with regular sampling from the production line. Each sample is tested for purity, safety, and balance.
Only water that passes all checks continues to bottling.
Bottle production begins with PET preforms made from food-grade plastic.
Inspect every preform for defects.
Each preform will later become a full-size bottle.
Cooling stabilizes the shape before inspection. Automated systems inspect every preform for defects. Any imperfect piece is removed instantly. Only approved preforms move forward. The preforms are heated to the correct temperature. Air pressure shapes the final bottle instantly. The bottles are now ready for filling.
Cooling stabilizes bottle structure in a low-temperature cooling room. Filtered air protects the bottles from contamination.
The bottles are prepared for sanitization. Each bottle is rinsed with purified water. Clean bottles move straight to filling. Filling begins with precise alignment. and bottles are filled with water one by one.
Each bottle receives an exact amount of water.
Filled bottles move forward immediately. Bottles caps are fed automatically one by one.
Each bottle is sealed tightly.
Labels are applied evenly. Label alignment is verified.
Final inspection begins for any defect.
Only perfect bottles move forward. Bottles are grouped and put on large packs for transport. Shrink wrap secures the bottles. Robots stack pallets efficiently. Finished products are stored safely. Orders are prepared for shipment. This completes the journey from factory to consumer.